In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to add HTML code to GoDaddy Website Builder. Start by opening your web browser and heading to Google. If you don't have the direct link handy, simply type GoDaddy into the search bar and select the official GoDaddy result. Once you're on the site, sign into your account with your usual credentials. After logging in, look to the top right corner for your profile icon and open it. From the menu, choose My Products. This takes you to your dashboard where all your services are listed. Find the website you want to work on and open it to launch the Website Builder editor. Inside the editor, navigate to the page where you want the custom HTML to appear, then scroll to the exact spot. This code will live in its own section, so think about how it should sit relative to your headings, images, or other content. Move your cursor along the page until you see a small plus icon between sections. Hover over that plus to reveal your options, and click Add Section. A panel with categories will appear. Choose Files and Web, then select HTML. Next, pick the option to embed custom code on the page. The builder will add a new HTML section where you can configure everything. On the right-hand settings panel, there's a field to add a title. This is optional, but labeling the section can help visitors understand what they're seeing and makes it easier for you to find later in the editor. Now go to the custom code area and paste your clean HTML. Clean means a snippet that's ready to drop into a section. Avoid full-page markup like HTML, head, or body tags. Short, self-contained pieces work best. Think embed codes from trusted providers, small widgets, or formatted content with basic inline styles. If your code references external files, make sure the URLs are correct and secure. Note that some advanced scripts or inline JavaScript may be limited for security, and iframes are typically supported when they come from reputable sources. If something doesn't look right, double-check for missing closing tags, mismatched quotes, or typos in the code. As you paste, the editor will show a live preview so you can verify spacing and alignment alongside your existing sections. When everything looks good, click Done to save the section on the page. You can always return to this HTML block later to refine the title or update the code. And that's it. You've added custom HTML to your GoDaddy website builder site. With this approach, you can safely embed third-party widgets, add lightweight custom layouts, and include elements not available as built-in sections, all while keeping your page clean and organized.